Let's get your Canva designs locked down and private. By default, Canva sets your projects to the highest privacy level, meaning only you can see them. But it's easy to accidentally open a door you didn't mean to. To double check your current status, open any design you're working on and look at the top right corner of your screen. You're looking for the share button. Click on that and it's going to open up a collaboration menu. The important thing is to look at the section titled Collaboration Link. If this says anyone with the link, then your design is effectively public to anyone who stumbles across that URL. You want to click that drop-down menu and change it to only you can access or only people edit. This ensures that unless you specifically type in an email address to invite someone, the design stays invisible to the rest of the world. Now, if you've already invited people and you want to kick them out, look just above that link setting. You'll see a list of icons or names. You can click on their permission level, like Can Edit or Can View, and change it to Remove. Now, that goes both ways when it comes to teams. If you're working inside a team or enterprise account, your designs might be visible to your administrators or teammates by default, depending on the folder you created them in. To fix this, you'll want to back out of your specific design and go to your account settings. Scroll down to where it says Privacy Preferences. In this section, you can review your global data and design settings. Canva's privacy controls focus on who can view, edit, or comment. So the key is to restrict access manually rather than looking for a single Make Private button that covers everything at once. If you see a toggle for public profile sharing, make sure that is toggled off. This prevents your designs from showing up on a public Canva creator profile. When you're back in a specific design, always check the publish or share to social area. If you've previously linked a social media account, those permissions might still be active. The safest approach is to keep sharing limited to invited collaborators only. Once you've removed those public links and restricted the team access, your work is fully private. I hope you found this helpful and I'll see you in the next one.